Hi loves, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you my bedtime routine. Those are my Hanan face wipes. I'm going to use them to wipe my face, to remove my makeup off. So I take my micellar water by Garnier. Yeah, I put enough on the face wipe. Then we wipe it off. I start with the eyes. As you can see, it's coming out. Yeah, you rub and clean it off. The micellar water does a really good job with removing your makeup. That's the first clean, the first wipe. Yes. Clean it off. So we make sure that everything is out. I go to the lips, remove the lipstick, but as you can see, it's still sticky. It's not coming off easily. So wiping it off. You take another wipe. Be generous with the wipes because you'll need a few. Add more micellar water. This is my cleanser. Wipe it off. As you can see, it's coming out, but not completely. So I went in with the coconut oil. This will help remove my lipstick easier. So I put it on the wipe, then you wipe it. You'll see it does wonders. Plus it also leaves your lips moisturized, a bit moisturized. This helps clean it completely. As you can see, the lipstick is over. Yes, we are done. But go with the final clean wipe just to be sure that all the makeup is out of my face. Wiping it in, wiping, making sure that I've done a good job. As you can see, my wipe is clean, so meaning that we are good. Wipe your neck also. Don't forget what you do to your face, do it to your neck also. Because when I put on makeup, I make sure that I've blended with my neck. So while removing your makeup or doing your skincare routine, don't forget to do it to your neck too. Yes, we wipe completely. I go into the lips again, eyes, and yes, we are done. So now here I'm going in with my Garnier Skin Pure Active Clay 3-in-1. It's a wash, scrub, stroke mask, but here I'm going to use it as a wash to wash everything out. So wet your hands, then rub it in, then onto your face. Do it gently. Make sure you do it in the circular motion. Don't be too harsh on your skin, just rub it in gently. Yes, I apply it on my face, washing, rubbing it in. Now on the lips also. It also helps exfoliate and remove any makeup that was left. Rub it in. It's now time to wash it off. First I wash my hands. Then now we go wash it off my face. So you can use it as you can use this as a wash a mask or a scrub. So for me, I used it as a scrub stroke wash. So I scrubbed it in, then washed it off. Make sure you wash it off nicely. Give it a good clean. Go on to my neck, ears. There I'm checking if my camera is recording. And yes, we are done. We are good to go. Then I take my clean towel and tap it in. You tap it in. Don't be rough on your skin. Just tap it in to remove all the excess water. I tap it in on my face, then wipe my neck. Yeah, then I go in with my vitamin C, Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum. Put a generous amount, rub it in, then on my face. Make sure I apply it evenly on the face and on the neck also. And yes, we are done. I'll leave it to set. Then I go on brushing my teeth. I'm using Colgate. Don't forget to brush your teeth at night. So brush my teeth. Yeah, here the lighting is so good, but now I don't have a way of holding my camera there. So yes, brush. My skin is glowing. Don't forget to brush your tongue, rinse it off. There we go, dancing, no music, of course. And I'm done. Now I'll still go in, wipe my lips, wipe my hands, then go in with a lip gloss to moisturize my lips. Just a little. Then I went in with my olive oil to moisturize my face. Olive oil is good for your face. It helps moisturize. Because it's at night, I won't do anything else. And yes, we are done. As you can see, I'm glowing. Bye bye until we meet again. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share.